नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर। आज हम लोग देखने वाले हैं प्रीवियस एलपी वैकेंसी जो कि 2018 में आई थी, उसका CBT 2 की ऑफिशियल आंसर की, जिसमें ये सेकेंड शिफ्ट का है जो कि 23 जनवरी 2019 को हुआ था। इसमें से हम लोग टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन देखेंगे जो कि RSC ट्रेड के रहेंगे। यहाँ से RSC का सेक्शन है, स्टार्ट है। पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रिलेटेड विद द सोएज ऑफ ए कॉपर ट्यूब। तो किससे रिलेटेड होता है? गैप बिटवीन कॉपर ट्यूब। What is the reason for condensed water of cassette AC getting accumulated in the evaporator? Slope not proper. The capacity of visible cooler is expressed in liters. Which is the secondary refrigerant in an ice plant? Brine solution. Specific heat capacity of a substance is equal to heat capacity upon mass of the substance. If the freezer box temperature is minus 23 degrees centigrade, what will be the temperature in Fahrenheit? C upon 5 is equal to F minus 32/9 का फार्मूला जब लगाएंगे तो इससे हम लोग फ़ारेनहाइट में कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे, जो कि इक्विवेलेंट निकलेगा 9.4 फ़ारेनहाइट। In which region does a UJT operate after reaching peak point? Negative resistance. Which of the following will happen if suction pressure is reduced in refrigeration cycle? Right option, evaporation temperature will decrease. Reverse Carnot is used in vapor compressed refrigerator. Magnetic relay coil is connected in series with compressors. Starting winding. Which protective device disconnected the compressor sensing pressure? Thermovolume. Which of the following is a commonly used refrigerant in commercial ice plant? Ammonia. The main process characterizing a desert cooler is. The main process characterizing a desert cooler is adiabatic saturation. When retrofitting an R12 car air conditioner with an R134A, the charge amount will be of R12 60%. Humidification is the process of addition of moisture in air at constant dry bulb temperature. Which type of joint is shown in the figure? Straight joint. What do you mean by condensing temperature in the context of refrigeration? The right answer, temperature at which refrigerant gas becomes liquid. Which pulley of a car AC compressor always rotates with the engine either when the air conditioner is on or off? Jockey pulley. Low pressure liquid refrigerant from the expansion valve enters into the evaporator and changes into low pressure vapor refrigerant. Which of the following is a single edge cutting tool used for chipping metal? Drill bit. Which tool is used to remove a high spot from a plain metal surface? Scraper. Oil separator is fitted between compressor and condenser. Which of the following is an important factor for comfort of the occupancies in an air-conditioned environment? राइट आंसर होगा क्लीनिंग ऑफ द आउटडोर एसी यूनिट. Subcooling is a process of cooling the refrigerant in vapor compression system before refrigerant control. At the time of retrofitting an R12 refrigerator with AC blend, how much refrigerant will be charged? 40% of R12. What will be the result if the gap in between the male and female tube is more than suggested? Filler metal may block the tube. When excessive refrigerant in the cycle of a car AC, it results in low pressure 0.8 kg per centimeter square and high pressure 8 to 9 kg per centimeter square. When a filament lamp draws higher voltage, resistance of the lamp will increase. In the context of refrigeration, which instrument is used for checking the vacuum charging status and pressure among other things? Compound gauge. In frost-free refrigerators, frosting is done by heater. If HFC and lubricant are intimately mixed with moisture inside the refrigeration cycle, ice crystals will form. Ice crystals will form. What combination and proportion of gases will be used to set a neutral flame in gas welding? Oxygen and acetylene in equal proportion. The cleaning process of a refrigeration cycle involves cleaning of deposited solid and oil. Auto defrost is operated by evaporator fan. Before retrofit, a refrigerator with AC is carefully assessed to check whether it is safe for AC blend conversion or not. In window type air conditioner, when temperature is increased in the room, which of the following components disconnects the compressor from the power source? OLP. In an IC, a SiO2 layer acts as an insulating layer. How do you remove non-condensable gas and moisture from an air conditioning system? By evacuation using the old compressor. Which gauge is used for checking the pressure in an air conditioning system? Bourdon type compound gauge. Bourdon type compound gauge. In frost-free refrigerator, when does cooling not spread inside the cabinet? In frost-free refrigerators, when does cooling not spread inside the cabinet? इसका राइट आंसर है when the evaporator fan is not working. At the time of installation, more than 150 mm gap should be maintained in between ceiling and indoor unit, ceiling and IDU. The chemical formula of R134 is C2H2F4. What is the state of refrigerant after comes out of dry type evaporator? Superheated state. Generally, which type of condenser is needed for chemical descaling? Cell and tube bunk condenser. The evaporative tube of water cooler is fitted outside the storage tank. What is this welding symbol called? Flare bevel. The process of heat rejection by the refrigerant is achieved during which of the following refrigeration cycles? Condenser. What is the reason for formation of solid ice on the evaporator of a frost-free refrigerator? Auto defrosting system failure. What is the name of the hand tool that has small sharp teeth in rows and is used for sharpening or shaping material? File. How should the gap between the compressor housing and soft seal refrigerant escaping route be sealed? With sealed. Which condenser needs descaling? Water cooled condenser. If the end of a copper tube is not straightened, then swaging and flaring will be defective. In which of the following processes heat transfer doesn't take place? Insulation. When refrigerant passes through the evaporative zone, heat is added. Psychrometer is an instrument used to measure. Pyrometer is an instrument used to measure high temperature. In which of the following states will an R22 refrigerant charge in a split air conditioning unit, saturated liquid state. Which of the following components is used to liquidate refrigerant in the deep freezer? Condenser. Why deep vacuuming is needed in AC? To remove moisture and non-condensable gases. Which is the secondary refrigerant in an window air conditioner? Water. In a rivet joint, a cover plate is placed to cover two layer plates. This type of joint is known as butt joint. What is the ammonia refrigerant boiling temperature? Minus 33 degrees centigrade. When the metal of a frost-free refrigerator is opened, will connect heater. Which device of a car air conditioner increases and decreases fan speed? Pressure switch. Vent snips are used for cutting the seat along curved lines. One ton of refrigeration is equivalent to melting of 1000 kg of ice in 24 hours. To start a single-phase induction motor, which type of starting capacitors are used? Electrolytic capacitor. At the time of retrofitting, which electrical component should be replaced with a sealed one? Retrofit with HC and their blend. Which tool is used for laying out a large circle on a sheet? Dremel. How to identify the presence of a small leakage in refrigeration cycle? Hearing hissing sound. Why is it necessary to maintain a gap between wall and outdoor unit at the time of installation? For proper air circulation. What will be the status of a refrigerant at the outlet of a dry tap evaporator? Subcooled state. Which of the following deals with the cleaning of refrigeration cycle? Chemical cleaning. Where is a Britannia joint used? In overhead line. What should be the gap between the rotary pulley and the clutch plate? 0.3 mm to 0.5 mm. For checking the performance of AC, one must check inside temperature of cabinet and current drawn. Now the finish.